This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, March 27th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have some energy moving into the plains and upper Midwest with some energy across Kansas and into Missouri. It's a little bit negatively tilted. This is going to bring a storm system into the area with some showers and thunderstorms. Low pressure center would be south of Omaha, so the better chances of seeing any severe weather would be from about the Iowa-Missouri border on southward into Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, and Missouri. But taking a look at that risk area, here's a slight risk. It does include a portion of southern Iowa, mainly along and south of about Iowa Highway 2, east of Interstate 35. Places included would be Centerville, Bloomfield, Keokuk, and Fort Madison. Looking at the tornado risk, better chances of that, if there's going to be tornadoes, would be across central Missouri into northwestern Arkansas and far eastern Oklahoma, places like Columbia, Joplin, Springfield, into Fort Smith, Arkansas, and Fayetteville. The damaging wind outlook is the standard 15% area from far southern and southeast Iowa down through Missouri, western Illinois, Arkansas, eastern Kansas, and eastern Oklahoma. And then when we take a look at the large hail outlook, pretty much the same area, far southern Iowa into far west central Illinois, most of Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, and far eastern Kansas. So we'll have to take a look at that in the coming hours. Going into Friday, that storm is now long gone. Skies will be, well, partly to mostly sunny with highs a little cooler than today, highs in the 30s and 40s. And then on Saturday, it begins to warm up just slightly. Highs in the 40s and maybe some 50s across the state. Plenty of sunshine around here on Saturday, as the storm will be off to our southeast and off to our west. But Sunday is going to be the best day. Very strong winds, could be quite gusty. Highs will be well into the 60s, a few places touching 70 or going even over that. Strong winds and some dry air could create some fire danger. But that fire danger will be gone with the rainstorm coming in here on Monday. This has limited moisture. You can see the Gulf is not open for this, so this would bring a little bit of rain, not a whole heck of a lot. Could change over to a wintry mix very late Monday night, but then that's gone here on Tuesday in lieu of the next storm coming in, which will start to open up the Gulf. The Gulf will start to open up for this storm coming in Tuesday night and into the day on Wednesday. With the low pressure center over Missouri, that's going to keep a lot of the thunderstorm activity south of the state. We should see plain rain, maybe another switch over to a wintry mix across the far northern counties, some snow across Minnesota. And you can see a week from today, next Thursday, that system is really digging out a trough, pretty neutral, not negatively or positively tilted. But this is going to keep the moisture around, at least to our east. We see maybe some wraparound sleet or rain or cold rain. We'll have to wait and see on that. Showers and thunderstorms possible in the Ohio Valley down into the south. Another storm crashing into the Pacific Northwest. Going into the extended period, on April 5th, we have another trough digging in across the middle part of the country down into the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys. This is negatively tilted, but a lot of the energy with this is going to be to our south and east, bringing some showers and thunderstorms there. The 540 line diving way south, which means we could even see maybe some flurry activity after this storm, but this is still well out there in the land of voodoo. Going into the end of the period, April the 11th, we have a system coming in across Oklahoma and Kansas, another moving into the Pacific Northwest, but it doesn't look highly amplified, so we could see a storm with some showers and thunderstorms in the south. Could graze our part of the woods with some rain or so. But temperatures over the extended period look quite chilly for this time of the year, however. Satellite image from last evening. We have one piece of the storm system moving through the area during the evening hours. The next piece is off to our west. That'll be coming through today with some showers and maybe a couple of thunderstorms as well. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some frost advisories in eastern Alabama, freeze warnings in Georgia, Tennessee, into the Carolinas, winter weather advisory to our north, and some winter weather issues off to our west with some wind advisories across the mid-south as well. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing precipitation around here between maybe a quarter to 3/4 of an inch. About a quarter to a half an inch of that will be with this current storm, the heaviest over the Gulf Coast and the Pacific Northwest coast.